Welcome friends to our channel Tech Management Education, and as we are now we are doing a series of lectures for Six Sigma Black Belt course. These are our 8th lecture. In earlier lectures we have already explained what defined phase. There are various concepts of defined phase like voice of customer, what are needs, stated needs, all kinds of things. So in this lecture we will discuss about a very critical important aspect, QFD, quality function deployment. Actually we have discussed about CTQ, critical to quality, customer critical to quality, internal critical to quality, process critical to quality. Now how this customer voice or critical to quality is related to our internal critical to quality. Ultimately we have set of customer requirements, voice of customer, how these are related to our processes. Internal we need to align our customer requirements to our process alignment or business CTQ. Then only we will come up with a specification of a particular set of product or service, that which specification is required by our customer. So this is a very critical thing, so please be attentive. Here what we do, in left hand side section there is a words, means these are customer voice of customer and customer CTQ. Like one example, restaurant example we can take to explain this concept. Okay, for a restaurant, what are the important requirements of a customer? Like choice of food, economic consideration, means reasonable pricing, physical attributes, how things will look like, quick service, nobody wants to wait beyond a certain time, so everybody wants a quick service. Then quality of service, how quality is done, how it is served and everything. And this is the restaurant part. This is internal or business process CTQ. How they will serve the customer. Okay, so there are important parameters like price, what should be the pricing, then credit card, whether they will have credit card facility or not, then how to regulate the test, how to maintain the test, then waiting time. It is their internal process parameters. All these things are restaurant related, these are customer related, these are restaurant specific CTQs. Then parking space is there or not for convenience of the customer. Then cleanliness. Now out of customer voice or CTQs, we will rank based on survey or market research how much weightage given to which requirement of a customer. Like here, quality of service given rating 5. Say scale is 1 to 5. Out of 5, highest rating is given to quality of service. Then economic consideration, pricing given by this thing. These are based on customer service. Okay, what is most critical? So most critical is quality of service, then is economic consideration, then physical attributes, choice of food. Okay, these are the quick service too. So these are customer CTQs and these are ranks, importance. Okay, and these are based on customer CTQs, weightage or importance given. Pricing given 1. Okay, price is hardly a restaurant food price or whatever the price, it is a not a costly affair. Other things are most means there is a cost. So pricing means based on internal voice, internal requirements, internal assessment, pricing is given 1, taste given 3. Like choice of food, this is related to choice of food. Choice of food, price hardly matters. Okay, it's okay, variation is there, but it's the least important. Then taste is given 3. Economic consideration, price is most critical for economic consideration. Then credit card option. Okay, for physical attributes, physical attributes, parking space is given most importance with respect to customer, and cleanliness given not is a minimum score. Here scale is 1 to 10. Quick service. For quick service, price is not related, credit card is not related, taste is not related, waiting time is related. So waiting time given 9. Okay. Parking space not related, this is not related. Okay. So this is basically relation between these and this set of parameters. Which one is related to what and how much weightage. Then quality of service. Quality of service importance is 5, and here taste is most related to quality of service. How tasty the dish is. Then waiting time is also related quality of service. Then cleanliness. The 3 things are related to quality of service. So this is the scoring pattern. This is based on 1 to 5 scale, which requirement is most critical, and this is which parameter is related to our customer requirement. So and there is a relationship making, like we have correlation kind of thing. So this symbol is where there is a strong bonding or correlation. This is weak correlation, this is least correlation. So if you see this and this, means taste and cleanliness, these are related. Okay, score is also 9 and 3. So there is a relationship, not very strong, but 3 and 9. So there is a relationship. Then there is a parking space and price. It is not so related. Okay, so there is a symbol is there for not related. Like this, taste and price. It is not related. Taste is taste depends upon the cooking, the quality of chef, and process, how process is being maintained. So everything is a taste, not related to price exactly. So this is not related. Okay, these 3 symbols are there. Then we will find out the final score. Which process is very, which part of internal CTQ is very critical. So this how we will calculate 4 into 9 plus 3 into 1. Okay, this is 39. And 12 is 4 into 3, 12. 54, 3 into 3 plus 5 into 9. 33, 2 into 9 plus 5 into 3. And 27, 3 into 9. 80, 3 into 1 plus 5 into 3. Okay, these are my scores of my internal CTQs. Means my process, these are the requirements of internal processes or internal CTQs. So out of this, the highest score is taste. Okay, and second highest is this price, then waiting time, this. So 4 parameters are very critical. You can know. Then finally we'll come up with specification on house. So like for pricing, we can have a price tag of less than 100 per head. So based on these specifications, we have taken survey, and these these importance parameters are based on our specifications. Okay, and credit card facility, yes or no? So yes. Okay. Then taste is taste rating after having dinner or lunch. The service person asks for feedback. So if rating is more than 5, so out of 7 scale feedback. Okay, taste is very important. Then waiting time, we have a target of waiting time per customer 20 minutes. Okay, and parking space, yes, we should have a parking space. Then cleanliness, it should be clean environment every time. So these are specifications on house. So based on this specification, we have taken survey and we have listed down the customer voice, and these are the processes to be maintained for satisfaction for satisfaction of my customer. And these are the co-relationship between individual attributes, so that after while doing the project or while execution, there can be a close bonding between two sections of people, so that quality can be attained. So this is the overall quality function deployment chart. This is very important. Every organization before finalizing project or defining the project, they go for quality function deployment metrics to identify what are my customer voices and what are my internal processes, and how what are the specifications of my product or service. Okay, so this is the overall picture of a product or service, by how this is related, how customer is related to our process, internal processes. So this is explained for one set of equipment and customer. If my plant is big, so there are internal customers. Say my final product comes out after 3-4 processes. So I can deploy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 n number of quality QFDs for final project execution. Like this is the initial customer feedback. Based on customer feedback, we will come to know how, one set of how. Then this how will become what for next. This how is for next level of QFD. So this is the transition. So what is there for customer? This is first internal customer. They will develop the how. Then this how will become what for next level of internal process. Then again this how will become what for subsequent internal process. So this way we can go from final customer to ultimately starting from raw material or whatever it is. So this way flow will go. CTQ, deriving CTQ and all these things. Okay. So relationship between what and how. So this is overall QFD. So this is the define phase, very critical part of define phase, where we can finally we can list it down. What are my specification? What are customer requirements? What are my processes? How things will move. Okay. So hope this is quality function deployment is clear. So in next lecture will be the final lecture of define phase, where we will define a project and understand finally how define phase to be closed before going to measurement section. Okay. So thanks a lot for watching, and we'll go next lecture with more details of define phase, and it will be the final define phase. So before that, you go through our earlier all 7 videos, so that define phase is clear to you. Thank you.